watching Cearajanae. Let's go. Hello gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cearajanae, and I'm back here with an all new video. In today's video, I'm showing you guys my 10 ways on how to color block and pattern block 2.0. So let's get right off into the video. Let's roll. You guys, if you haven't seen by now, this spring slash summer trend and just all the way around, we have been seeing color blocking on the runways, on Instagram, just taking our pictures in these bold colors and just making them pop in different ways of the color spectrum. So if you want to know what color blocking is, I looked up a Google definition, and color block is, in fashion and design, the use of contrasting blocks or panels of solid, typical, bright colors. And it's basically just exploring different colors and even patterns. As you can see behind me, I just pulled some different clothings out of my closet, and that's what we're going to do today. And I just want to show you different ways and fun ways on how to color block and adding a different pattern with a pop of color. So let's get right into the first outfit. So the first outfit I have in my hands, as you can see, and let's just pop it on. So this outfit, I got inspired by this look. As you can see in the photo, the lady has like a yellow and a blue, and I thought this was very cute. And for my color block, I'm using this beautiful bold blue pencil skirt, and I'm just pulling it over my yellow portion of my dress, and then I'm going to just pull the yellow portion down so you can see that yellow and blue effect that I'm trying to go for. Along with this outfit, I'm wearing this white and woven gold bag and a multicolored headpiece, and also for jewelry, I'm wearing like this gold embroidered bold necklace with diamonds, and we cannot forget the shoes. So we're moving right along to outfit number 2, and this is one of my favorite outfits. I wore it in a downtown Dallas photo shoot. It was like a uptown, upscale street look, and so I paired it with this bold yellow jacket, and has zippers on the back of it going across the back, and I just love that effect about this jacket. And for the bodysuit, it's like a blazer at the top with buttons, and I just love the stripes going down. It just reminds me of the lines in the street. So that's what I was going for with this look. Also with the same gold shoes and some accessories. I have on a gold chain necklace and some sunglasses with the same chain effect on the sides. Incorporated a black mini purse with the gold chain as well. Next up, for outfit number 3, I got inspired by this bold color blocking look from the runway, and I just really like how these colors tied in together with the baby blue top, the yellow skirt, the orange shoes, and the brown bag, just tying in together with some purple accents of jewelry. This baby blue top that I'm wearing is actually a jacket. My great grandmother let me have her jacket, and so I just decided to take some bobby pins and make a rose design out of this jacket into a gorgeous top. And to turn up the volume on this outfit, I have these cute orange coral colored shoes. Love the different Art Deco cutouts of triangles in different shapes. They also have these cute little orange tassels for when you tie up your bow. So let's keep the ball rolling to outfit number 4, and this is what I got inspired by this picture from the runway. And I love this bold red and pink combination with the peekaboo of orange underneath the pleated skirt. And I've been seeing this pleated like material trend going around on Instagram and YouTube with the color blocking trend, and I love that about this outfit. Now let's take a closer look of this pleated skirt. It's kind of like an asymmetrical skirt where it's like kind of going down the side in an angle. And with this top, I really didn't have to wear a necklace because it has this lovely embroidered like diamond piece in the front, and it's so beautiful. Just really gives it an upscale look. And also for the earrings, I paired these multicolored earring hoops to go with this outfit, and I just really think it brings out the whole entire look. For the shoes, I have these stunning white pointy-toed heel shoes with a cute little bow tie on the front and clear perspex siding from DSW. And we're halfway there with outfit number 5, and this gorgeous look was inspired by this runway look. And I didn't realize that I had on red, white, and blue, but this really came together really well. And a gold chain belt also from Shein, and some blue pants. You can also tie in 2 looks with this outfit, so 2 in 1 with this other color you see here. So I decided to put on this really cute seafoam green woven bag with the buckle. I have on this gorgeous like beach necklace and beaded earrings to match. I recently bought these stunning white and gold sunglasses just to bring a top-notch look to this outfit. To top it off with these earrings, they're my favorite from Shein, just a gold pair of earrings. From DSW, these beautiful nude shoes. Moving along to outfit number 6, I thought this was very fun, very artistic, and we have some gold sunglasses, a seafoam green necklace with gold accents, a blue like top. It's really a dress, but I just created it into like a top, and some bright red pants from Calvin Klein. Also a mustard yellow tote bag or a crossbody bag with some cool zippers, and some beautiful leopard and black printed shoes. Now I'm just going to pop on this pleated pattern belt that I got from H&M, and I just really thought this belt just really gave this outfit a pop. I love this whole entire look, and it was inspired by this runway look. Here's a closer look of the accessories. We cannot forget the leopard printed shoes. That's going to really bring out this whole entire outfit, and this is how you can color block and add print all together. Now I'm giving you some more pop of color with outfit number 7 with a fuchsia pink dress, and I'm just going to throw on this lovely striped black and white jacket on top, and it's just going to bring out this whole entire outfit with a pop of color and a different print. And for the accessories, I have on this gorgeous bag. Wearing this gorgeous black and white jacket with this lovely fuchsia pink dress just really make this whole look come together, and it's so much fun to wear. And I just love how artsy and business casual it looks. Here's a closer look of this gorgeous fuchsia pink dress and the stitching going down, just to give you that illusion of you looking snatched and well put together. I just put on some tortoiseshell round circle glasses, just really chic and retro, and a silk ribbed pattern bag with sparkly sequences and a gold chain to match. including these black studded leopard print kitten heels that you've seen in my previous DSW haul. Moving along to outfit number 8, I'm spicing it up with this gorgeous lilac purple two-piece from Shein. But wait, let's spice it up even more with this dark purple blazer dress on top. I just really thought this really brought this to life, and I was really inspired by this runway look. So with the dark purple blazer dress, I decided to do a purple on purple cord, with the dark purple being the color block. And I really love this about this outfit. It just really makes it look high fashion, high street, and really classy at the same time. As you all know, purple is my favorite color, and I just kept the cute little purple bow tie out in the front. And now we're going to switch it up a bit. We're going to take the pants and leave them off. So now we just have the dress, and we're looking really cute and extra stylish. This is so perfect for spring, summer, and just looking very up class and stylish. And I included my pink suede studded bag from Walmart, my Vince Camuto black heels, and some accent jewelry that I received from one of my church members, Omega Morgan. Thank you so much, girl. Now for outfit number 9, I wanted to do a more casual look. So with this beautiful ensemble, I got inspired by this runway look, and I just wanted to incorporate this purple and like sea green skirt together, and I thought it was really cool combination with the color block and also accents of white and pink jewelry. I got this purple sweat top from Five Below, and it's just a drawstring top, and I just drew it up to give it like a crop top effect look, and I really thought this went well with this sea green skirt, and it just looked really nice with the top. I was going for like a beachy vibe look. I got these super cute ombre pink butterfly sunglasses from Rue 21. And these fun and furry pink and white gumball earrings I received from a makeup artist. I have on my great grandmother's beautiful pink beaded necklace. And this lovely purple wooden with gold accent bracelet I received as a gift. For the print, I'm wearing my Steve Madden snake print woven wedge sandals. Yes, we have finally reached outfit number 10, and we are looking so classy and so well put together in this red, black, and white ensemble. And I just really love this outfit. Another one of my favorites. And this is the look that I got inspired by here on the picture. And I just love that you can just add a pop of color and it will just bring this whole outfit together with the red dress underneath the long black and white cardigan. And I got this cardigan from Shein. You may have seen it in another Shein haul. And I just love this whole entire look. It looks so chic, classy, gorgeous all at the same time. And I incorporated the belt in the middle to keep your girl snatched, with the black Vince Camuto heels, and just bringing it all together with this perspex red bag. I love it so much. For jewelry, I'm wearing this ring from Forever 21. And also you can see on the dress it has that same kind of pleated effect it had in the pink skirt I had on earlier. This is a closer look of my stylish red perspex clear bag. And this completes all 10 looks for today. And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed yet another new video, my 10 ways on how to color block and pattern block 2.0. So if you'd like to see more videos like these, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more uploads like these. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. And also hit that like button and tell me what you think I should do next. And I love you guys. As always, I want to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes. And the quote of the day is, "Don't block your blessings trying to teach someone a lesson. The work of the devil will not win against God. No hater can stop God's favor. Pray for them and God will give them front row seats to watch your life prosper." I just really love that quote, these series of quotes. I try to motivate you guys each and every time I see you guys on YouTube. And I really hope you take away these quotes today and just place them in your heart. If someone is trying to block your blessing, pray for them and God will make you first and make them last. For it says in the Bible, He will make the first last and the last first. So we just have to really just put ourselves in the forefront. Pray for our enemies. For, you know, they will be sitting at our table too. But we have to pray for our enemies and love them from a distance, whether it's a family member or a friend or even a co-worker or a supervisor. We have to pray for them and ask God to have mercy on them so your favor in order to shine through. So just remember that, believe in yourself, and just continue to get to your blessings. Don't let nobody tell you you cannot do it, because that's a block, and we bind those blocking spirits, and we just pray in the name of Jesus that we are able to overcome that thing that's blocking us, whether it's a boyfriend, whether it's a homegirl. We want to get past those people and put them and get them behind us, because we don't need that in this season. We are winning in this season, and those things that were blocked or foggy to where we couldn't see, God is opening up in the midst of the spiritual realm for us to be able to see. In order for us to tap in, we have to pray for our enemies. We have to pray each and every day. God, allow me to see the things that I cannot see, and allow me to receive the blessings that maybe you're blocking the blessing. Just doubting yourself. When you doubt, you can block your own blessings. So we just have to pray and remember and have faith that He's able to help us get from point A to point B. So I hope I am encouraging someone today, helping you out today, and just making you smile. And I love you guys, and have a blessed and wonderful day. I love you. And if you like what you see, continue watching me. That's your girl, Cearajanae. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.